In a highly competitive market, Yamaha has distinguished itself with the introduction of the 2025 TX650, which has been officially recognized as the best motorcycle of the year. This exceptional machine exemplifies Yamaha's dedication to innovation and design, establishing a new benchmark for versatility and performance in the motorcycle industry. The TX650 is powered by a sophisticated inline twin-cylinder engine that produces an impressive 70 horsepower and features a commendable torque curve for smooth acceleration, whether navigating urban environments or traversing open highways. Riders praise the motorcycle for its agile handling and lightweight frame, making it an ideal option for both experienced enthusiasts and newcomers eager to engage with the riding experience. A noteworthy characteristic of the 2025 TX650 is its modern design, which harmoniously integrates retro styling with advanced technology. Every aspect, from its streamlined profile to the LED lighting system, is meticulously designed to evoke a sense of nostalgia while remaining firmly aligned with contemporary motorcycle aesthetics. The extensive customization options available empower riders to tailor their TX650 to reflect their personal preferences. Safety features are a prominent focus in this year's model. The TX650 is equipped with a state-of-the-art anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring optimal performance across various conditions. These features instill confidence and provide peace of mind for riders throughout their journeys. In addition to its performance and safety enhancements, Yamaha has integrated advanced connectivity features into the TX650. The motorcycle is equipped with a standard mobile application integration system, enabling riders to monitor bike diagnostics, navigate routes, and track performance metrics directly from their smartphones. This amalgamation of tradition and modern technology exemplifies Yamaha's commitment to innovation. The motorcycle community has responded enthusiastically to the 2025 TX650, celebrating its launch at several motorcycle expos and shows. It is anticipated that enthusiasts will enthusiastically visit dealerships as soon as the bike becomes available this spring. Yamaha's lead designer, Hiroshi Takeda, stated, "We aim to develop a motorcycle that resonates with a diverse array of riders while providing the exhilaration and enjoyment inherent to the riding experience." The TX650 exemplifies this vision, emerging as a motorcycle that enthusiasts will cherish and feel proud to possess. Yamaha's commitment to quality, performance, and enhancing the rider experience has evidently borne fruit, as the TX650 captivates many and establishes itself as the premier motorcycle of 2025. With its impressive combination of power, elegance, and advanced technology, it is unsurprising that the 2025 Yamaha TX650 is recognized as this year's leading motorcycle.